How's it going, everybody? We got a tool review. We got something here that I purchased at Thornton Small Engines. It's a utility knife, basically. It's a multi-tool. It's got a wrench, screwdriver, seat belt cutter. It's got a clip on it. Here's all the stuff it has. It's got wrenches, a pop bottle opener, screwdriver, ruler, and a clip. So we're going to open this up. It's made by True Utility. It looks like they are out of Alliance Customer Group, and they are out of, it looks like, Fort Worth, Texas. Their website is www.trueutility.com. I'm not paid by anybody. I'm not paid by them to review this, but we're going to take a look at it. Okay, we have it out of the case. It's even got a waterproof case, so that's pretty neat. I don't know what you'd use that for. I'm sure you find something else to use it for. And right here's the knife. Package pretty decent. See if we can get it out of here. Alright, we got it out of here. Sorry, I'm trying to keep the shadows off of it. It's got the wrench on both sides, but I don't know how well it'll work because right there's your blade lock. So, but it's got your ruler here. Looks like you only got about 3 inches. I don't know how useful that'll be. There's your pop bottle opener. There's your screwdriver. And there's your belt cutter, and then there's your clip. You can just clip it on your belt loop. So we're going to open it up and see what the blade looks like. Okay guys, here's the blade. That's what it looks like. I need to read more about it, but basically this is just an unboxing. So that's what it looks like. We're going to cut a piece of paper here. We're going to see how well we can use this glass to our advantage here. I got a piece of paper, and we're going to see how it works. See how sharp it is. Can't have that show up. Well, once you move it real quickly, the display model I was using, was definitely okay. Oh, I was getting it too far back. I was getting it back here on the screwdriver, and that was my issue, but it's decently sharp. It's not razor sharp, but I'm sure you can always get it sharper. It's definitely, I always sharpen my knives when I get them anyway, so that's the first thing I do. I'll check them, but I like mine like razor sharp, so I'll be sharpening this one to where it'll cut that with paper with ease. But that's it for the True Utility multi-tool knife. We'll see what else we got here in the paperwork, and I'll show you. Okay, it's just showing you all the uses of the tool here. So I apologize for the lighting. It's what I got to work with today, so. But yeah, that's it for this knife. If you're in the area, you can pick one up and check it out yourself at Thornton Small Engines. That's where I picked it up from. And we'll see how it holds up. See, this is where this is here. That's a wrench, but this side I wouldn't suggest using because that's the lock. I would use this side here. But that's it for today, guys. For the Smart Knife, they call it. If you're interested in picking one up, they're at Thornton Small Engines. It's where I got mine. That'll be it for the video today. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Anytime I get something little in like this, I try to pick one up. Like the flashlight. Flashlight comes in handy working on cars. Plus, it'll help me out with my car videos when it's darker out. I probably should have used it here, but I'm afraid it would be too bright. So, we're going to put the knife back away. Oops. Guess you got to put the paper in first. There we go. Maybe I got it in backwards. Yep, had it in backwards. But that's it. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Again, this is the Smart Knife. Please hit the thumbs up, notification bell, because we'll be doing more videos like this, anything neat that I might find that might be useful. So everybody have a wonderful and great day, and I'll catch you later.